Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the MCQ question in the chapter Theory of Demand. The first question, a specific quantity to purchase against the specific price of the commodity is called. Options are A. Demand, B. Quantity demand, C. Movement along the demand curve, D. Shift in demand curve. Answer is option B. Quantity demanded. Next question, the graphic presentation of table showing the price and demand relationship for a commodity in the market is called. Options are A. Individual demand curve, B. Producer demand curve, C. Market demand curve, D. Consumer demand. Answer is option C, that is market demand curve. Now question number 4, downward slope of demand curve. So options are A. Positive relationship between the price and quantity demanded, B. Inverse relationship between the price and quantity demanded, C. No relationship between price and quantity demanded, D. None of these. Answer is option B. Inverse relationship between the price and quantity demanded. Next question, how are the two goods related when the result of rise in the price of apple demand for origin increase? The A. Substitute goods, B. Complementary goods, C. Normal goods, D. Inferior goods. The answer is option A, that is substitute goods. Now next question, in case of normal goods, demand curve show A. Negative slope, B. Positive slope, C. Zero slope, D. None of these. The option is A, that is negative slope. Next question, law of demand must fail in case of A. Normal goods, B. Jaffe goods, C. Inferior goods, D. None of these. The answer is option B, that is Jaffe goods. Next question, inferior goods are those whose income affected is A. Option A negative, B positive, C 0, D none of these. Answer is option A negative. Next question, which of the following pair represents substitute goods? Options are A. Car and petrol, B. Juice and cold drinks, C. Bread and butter, D. All of these. The answer for this question is option B, that is juice and cold drink. Next question, in case of Jaffe paradox, the slope of demand curve is. Options A negative, B positive, C parallel to x-axis, D parallel to y-axis. Answer is option B, that is positive. Next question, as a result of rise in consumer income, demand curve for coarse grained inferior goods, that options are A. Become a horizontal straight line, B. Become a vertical straight line, C. Shift to the right, D. Shift to the left. The answer for this question is option D, that is shift to the left. Next question, if the two goods are complementary, the rise in the price of one result in. Options are A. Rise in demand for others, B. Fall in demand for others, C. Rise in demand for both, D. None of these. The answer for this question is option B, that is fall in demand for other. Next question, demand curve in upward sloping. Options are normal goods, B. Inferior goods, C. Jaffe goods, D. None of these. The answer for this question is option C, that is Jaffe goods. Next question, movement along the demand curve occurred due to the change in A. Own price of the commodity, B. Determinant of demand other than own price of the commodity, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The answer is option A, own price of the commodity. Next question, increase in the price of electricity will cause the demand for electricity appliance. Options are A. Rise, B. Fall, C. Remain the same, D. None of these. Answer for this question is option B, that is fall.